the model's not working as well as it should. We keep trying, we keep turning. Newer engineers tend to like to tune hyperparameters. That tends to be the first thing they try, or they go for a more advanced state of the art algorithm. That tends to be the thing they try, probably because that's what they were taught in school. But on real world data, that's not always the best approach. You need to understand what's going on, you need to understand your data, and often iterating on the data, whether that's something went wrong with the annotation, the different annotators and they weren't consistent in their definitions, or there's artifacts or some quality control thing that needs to be picked up. Iterating on that is often more effective, but iterating based on data, so based on observations you make about your results, is typically what the path I guide them on, instead of just tweak this hyperparameter, tweak that hyperparameter, grab the latest state of the art model. Those are typically less effective. That one comes
Yeah,
up
I
quite a
couldn't
bit.
agree more with that. Like, definitely, I would say, I mean, in general, I think it has been proven with quite a lot of different papers that the model itself, it doesn't matter that much. If you can improve the amount and the quality of your data, that's going to be like a lot more impactful that any other crazy model. I mean, unless there is like a very big shift, like deep learning itself. I would say that for changing a model from, the structure, for something like that. And I think that's quite obvious when we are looking at what's popular right now, like with LLMs and stuff like that. We have the transformer-based architecture, which, yes, it's great, but it requires a lot more data to be able to extract these patterns. So first get enough data, and then you can start to play with something a bit more advanced. But until you have validated your data set,
Yes.
there is no too much point to move forward.